So I used to wear, I still wear glasses. I'm very short-sighted. So I know when I come here, I can get contacts. I have my contacts. So one of my stories to migrate to America was just to get contacts too. And I have it. So I was like, my work is done. So I have both.
How many languages do you speak?
Um,
Do you speak?
so English, main, and then I have my local dialects. My mom is Ga. My dad is Ewe. So I speak a little bit of Ewe, not too much, but Ga fluently because my mom typically are with us. So she spoke her mother language with us. So I have those two, and I do a little bit of Twi. So one main one and two kind of a little bit, and a little French too, just a little, because my parent had gone to stay in a French country for a little while there, so I have a little bit. But when you don't speak a language for a while, so it's like lose it. So I have a little bit of French. So with trauma for me, I always say this thing. I had a opportunity to speak at an event last year through the chambers, and I was talking about small T trauma and big T traumas and how that can show.